I'm making this video with so much pain, and I want to save you guys the pain of purchasing the AOC 24G2 gaming monitor. I watched the best gaming monitor guides by all the big YouTubers, and they listed this monitor. So I went to buy it because, of course, it's 1080p, 144 Hz, high refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time. Yeah, all the good stuff. But what they fail to tell you is that this monitor does not have any sound, no speakers. I bought this monitor, I bought the Xbox Series X, and for the past 2 days, I've been playing Battlefield 2042 without sound. It's so frustrating. I can't hear footsteps, I can't hear game audio, I can't hear anything. So I've done some research and I found some ways that you can enable audio, you can get audio from this AOC 24G2 monitor. The first way is to actually use a speaker, get an auxiliary port, plug it directly to your Bluetooth speaker. It has the port there, plug it behind the AOC 24G2. Because this monitor has an headphone jack, you can plug that into an external Bluetooth speaker. Or if you have an headset, you can just plug it directly to the monitor, and that's how you get audio from the AOC 24G2. It has just been a very annoying process, very frustrating process, and I just want to inform you guys, before you buy this monitor, you need to know this, so you don't end up playing games for 2 days without any audio. Very annoying. Very annoying. So let me ask a question. Do you guys have the AOC 24G2? Did you also run into this problem? And what did you do to fix this problem?